So what we've done here is we've got some milk chocolate and we molded it in a hot tin. And we've put it in the fridge for a day and a half. And now we are going to decorate.
Okay, so here we have some PME, which is an edible luster spray. It's basically exactly the same as spray paint, but it's an edible version. And we've got it in baby blue. We're just going to spray it all over the heart.
Here, Sophia is using...
I'm using Cold Pick Cake Decorating Sugar Paste. And I'm basically just going to be making the letters Bay.
There you have it, guys. We have tried to make the Kim K chocolate mold.
The Bay is a bit big, but it's your first try anyway. So I guess it's okay.
Yes. Okay, are you ready? Second attempt. Great! Ooh, it's broken! Woo! That's awesome, yeah.
Okay, to make this, it actually took 6 different layers of chocolate. That's why it's so thick, because it had to be technically unbreakable.
Bah.
Bay.
And it's really edible. Ooh. That's a new lipstick. I ordered 2 of the not enough. Perfumes, BFF and Bay. So I'm going to quickly open them and have a little sniff and let you know if they are very nice or if they are dirty. I've just got cute. That is so cute, isn't it? Yeah, just take that. Okay, so I'm going to spray some. Oh my god. That smells so good. It's so sweet. Oh, that's really nice. That's really summery, isn't it? It's extremely sweet. Okay, spray the other one out. That one was BFF, by the way. This is Bay. Spray on that side. Stop. Wait, to me spray. Oh, that was so nice too. Let's go on and oh, that's nice, but I... different smell. It's like more cool. It's more musky. Yeah. More vanilla. Definitely. I prefer the BFF, to be honest. I say it's more fruity, and I like fruity. It's so hard to explain how Bay smells like. It's just got a weird I would definitely say it has a musky feel to it. It smells nice, but it's just weird. It's like... I can't put my finger on it. But it's nice. Either way, they both smell really good. But I do prefer BFF. And we got ours in the 30ml range, and it doesn't actually say what ingredients it has in it, but they smell great. So, oh my god, it's amazing.